How to download Manor Lords. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Steam on your PC. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. To begin with, at the very top, go ahead and in the search bar search for Manor Lords. You can easily download this game after a purchase. Currently, you see there are various of editions for you to select. You can choose any of the edition and tap on Add to Cart. After which, select on View My Cart. Remove any pending purchase. Select on Manor Lords and tap on Continue to Payment. In the payment section, select a payment method, enter card number, expiration date and security code. Enter your billing information as well. Then tap on Continue button. After which, you will be able to download yourself Manor Lords. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.